So this is the truck. And this is the blade.
Is this a different style compared to what you guys had?
I think
for
it seems the same. But the one has no, the first one, there's no like that, the thing. There's no bucket. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is the mower.
How it works.
Oh,
I
so
don't want to use my hand anymore.
here's the Kubota now.
I have, we have,
It's just a dream before, and now it's here.
cutter. That is the,
Mm.
cutter that is one more. Okay.
It's just delivered.
Hey mom, you want extra footage from this?
Sure. When they mow.
Yeah, when they mow.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, go.
All right. So I guess where do we want to start? So take the bucket on and off. It's that universal skid steer quick attach. So it's just a matter of 2 levers up. I'll just pop out of it. And pop
Ian.
into it.
That's the way it is. Oh, done.
So yeah, so then to get back in it, I'll show you once we get it fired up. But tilt down so that these hook in underneath here, and then drive ahead, lift it up, and then it'll fall back into place, and then the lock tabs go down in. There is grease nipples on those sliding mechanisms there, so be one on each side, and then the 2 in there. So on the pivot points for greasing, you've got basically all the cylinder areas do have a grease nipple on them for greasing, lubricating.
Can you put it back?
We will, yeah. I just want to do a couple things with that off though first.
Okay, this is a demonstration on how you operate it.
So then too, with the loader up in the air, on the joystick lever, you can lock it out. So that basically, you can lock it. So that's just a little tab out the front. Yeah. So then you feel more comfortable in underneath. So drill guard down. Just pull that pin that goes out. Put it up. Just turn that.
Oh, that's the way you open it.
Up like that. So there, we're in underneath here. You've got your coolant reservoir, your battery, a little bit of a fuse panel in there, coolant there. So if you do see the temperature gauge getting warm, you do have screens ahead of the rad that'll pick up the fluff or whatever. So you can just, like this one pulls up the top, this guy here. Exactly. It just has some locking things and that pulls out, and that can just pull out the side. Back in the tabs.
Can you fix that, Ian?
Not expecting. So on both sides, so that can go there. So on this side here, you've got your air filter. Fuel filter back here where my hand's on. This dipstick right here is your front differential dipstick. So it just has a little tab on it. You'll see it is fairly clear fluid, so you just have to pull it and kind of rub your finger on it, but it should be within those 2 lines. How to drain that? On the back side of the diff right there, that'd be your drain plug. So there'll be one on each side.
Okay, I think
Yeah, there's one on both sides because it comes across
everybody
and
is
drops down.
excited.
Yeah, that's the fill and check. No, that just does your front
And this is
axle
the mower,
from left to right side.
because you need to mow a lot. And there is the blade, the disc. We're gonna use it for the cultivating, because we will plant some grass for the goats. So yeah. how they are trying
Drift,
to
yeah.
show
You need to drift.
how to operate, but
Like
seems
prior
like
to me going to
they're not
Kubota, I worked in
interested.
another ag dealership, and sometimes getting a tractor into a stall.
Just let them do
You had an
it.
alleyway,
all
and
the
literally you're
guys.
backing in, and then yeah, you have that spot, and you don't have that much room to swing in because it's fairly tight. You basically rev up, stand on that parking brake, and just get the tractor to swing. So
Whoa, Ian is driving.
I'm gonna go nothing.
Oh, Ian. Uy, uy. Where you going? Oh, Ian's mowing the lawn. Baba na. Oh. Hindi na masyado. Okay na. Ilang beses siguro mo dapat na gawin. Tama na. Yan, huwag kang makyat sa ano. Bundok. O, ba't hindi naman yung nagdina? Ito naman siya, di marunong. At least hindi na nagro-rotor. Pwede na ba yan? Para tignan daw kung dalawang beses. Ayan, iinang na na eh. Inang name kinay. Tati inang na. Ayaw pumunta dun sa nanay. Ay, naku. Oh, yung mga kambing, oh, nagkalat na sila dito. Ayan, ayan. Ay, inulit niya ulit. Gaano kaya katagal magbungka? Parang mga dayami naman yata yan. I thought. Oh, oh.
That's the thing with the disc, like it's gonna cut in more. I don't want to say the faster you go, but till you get it smooth, then it's like with this being a little bit rough, yeah, you're gonna go slow to kind of get them lumps. That's why I
Yeah. Once you break up the sod with this, then if you wanted to like have a garden area and not to kill it to make it more fluffy, things like that, definitely. It's just for grass.
Yeah, but to chew up this grass right away, that's your best way to do it.
Oh,
Oh, that is the
yes, drone.
Yep.
So I think it's gonna happen. So you maybe could buy double the size of this. So the time will be. Was it just? Oh, yeah, we're gonna be for like 0 inches. Oh, it's just a plastic today. So we're gonna be Kubota Tractor. What is it? The other one? So after you can myself, that's kind of bad. Well, over 17. Yeah, that's 4 months. So I'm just sending you how much do you think introduce rented? How much money is No, I mean like the 1.9. Well, let's in 7 years.